Open black lens bracket. High quality close black lens bracket. Made of high quality high and low temperature resistant aluminum alloy materials. Totally environment friendly. Working temperature from -20 °C to 80 °C. IP66 Waterproof. Full competence for outdoor usage and marine task. Open black lens bracket. Safety protection. Close black lens bracket. It's certified by CE ROHS with overload, overcurrent and short-circuit protection to ensure charging safety. Meanwhile, built-in converse connection protection that ensures the circuit won't be burned out if wrong wiring. Open black lens bracket. Quick charge 3.0 Close black lens bracket. Quick charge 3.0 technology is compatible with all fast charging technologies, such as DCP BC1.2, Qualcomm QC2.0, QC3.0, HUAWEI FCP, SCP, Samsung 1.2 volts, Apple divider 3 and so on. Note: quick charge function need to use the original charging cable. Open black lens bracket. Built-in LED indicator. Close black lens bracket. The USB charger socket has built-in LED indicator. Easy to check whether the connection is successful and allow quick and easy usage in the dark or at night. Open black lens bracket. Wide compatibility. Close black lens bracket. LED illuminated USB charging socket with rubber seals. Fits for 12 to 24 volts car, boat, marine, motorcycle, ATV, RV etc. Suitable for charging mobile phone, tablet, GPS, digital camera, PDA and other USB accessories. 2. 4A USB charger socket provides standard charging for non-quick charge devices. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent USB charger. This unit appears to be extremely well made from high-grade aluminium. I have only had it installed for a week, but it works great.